Step on up, folks. That's going on in my room, and I gotta stop it, cause I'm the beastie man, and I kill the chill, cause I make the money in the market with the MOJ. Stick to the trading, not the rapping. What's up, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, how you doing today? The Mojo, you with the Sharks, guys, or what? Nice. Welcome everybody to the MOJO Day Trading show. Dude, it's like banging rocks in like a rock pit, try to get some money out today. It's been tough, man, tough. Hey, only had 2 winners and the other one we're just doing nothing in. No little stocks today. Hold it now. What's going on? Miss J-Nug. Market's a little wacky-dacky. Let's see what these are doing. CDNA did its peripheral 3 long bar into a cupid top, and it stopped on 51 stopping station. Nice. Let's see the next one. SCYX did a 1 bar, and it stopped at, didn't do a 3 bar, but it stopped at 188. Not a real one. None of the here. We'll get a real pattern. Here we go. So we got a 3 bar up and it stopped right here. 24.16, and then right here 23.81. 2 stopping stations. TCCO. Oh, very nice. Ran up, made a huge stop right here on stopping station. Then ran back up, made another stop on stopping station. SGBX ran all the way up, came down, it stopped on stopping station. Interesting. Homer, straight up, came down 1 time, stopped on stopping station, 52. Penny off, 51. Saru made a good move this morning. I'm glad I folded on Saru off the 5-minute right here at the top at 94, 95. There was only very little upside, a lot of risk on the down, and it stopped on stopping station. And we traded LABD today, which we nailed up at 660, 662 right here in the beginning of the day, and then it made its move and went up to 89 for the final sale. It went to 94. That was a good one. We made money on that. We're a little green today. We're not a lot of green. Hey, but there's 20 days. 10 of them are normal. 7 are hard to scratch out. Today's one of those days. What's up, YouTube? What's going on? What's going on, Edwin? Edwin's a new Mojo University guy. What's going on, Twitch, Beam, Roku, Chew? What's up, guys? Nice to see you this afternoon for the Mojo show. Check out the stock AVEO, up and down, stopping station 290. All right, AMD's hanging out at 1350. Nothing's really going on. FDIV, big whopping 1,900 shares. I mean, this is just like scratching your fingernails on a chalkboard, man. Step on up. Let's see if you can knock the 3 tubes over, man. That's what it's like. Step on up, baby. And again. Very interesting. I have this one guy that can't get into the room at all. Let me look under my blocked I have another section I can look under. People I've blocked. Blocked. His name is Jim. I don't have a Jim. Here's a Jim. Oh, but maybe not. This is similar to his email, 28216. It says it's not him. Let's just try. I'll unblock him. Oh no, it's a different guy. Gotta reblock him. Oh well, I can't find him, man. I got a guy banned in my room, rejoined back in, can't get on. His name is Jim. Can't find him. Jim, Geronimo. Nope. Hey. Can't believe I can't find this guy in my... See how many people are in my ban list of this guy? Yep, I have 373 people banned from my room. And it does it according to IP address. Got a lot of people banned. Got to be under a different name. Got to be under a different name. They have support, you know, on Discord. Try a new email address, man. Do a different email address. I don't care what you do, just get the hell in the room. Got one guy in here who you don't even answer me. I kick him out now. This guy here on the bottom. Trader DZ. Kick him. I asked him 17 times who the hell he is. He didn't answer me, so screw him. Dude, it was tough to make money today. We didn't make a lot of money today. We sold UV, last sell was at 14. And then it dropped down. We sold right here. It was much earlier. Look. Right here. Right there into 10.16. Then it came huge down. We bought it again. It went back up to 10. Came down. We made a sell right there again. And then it came down again to right here, and now it's floating around. See if it makes a move and curls back up through the top of this bar. They're doing that waiting on it game. Well, JDST and JNUG did it. See? Just a little bit more concise. But once it breaks up through that, see? Once it breaks up through this is the same thing, it's just longer. It'll head up towards the top of this and then break through. See? Got a lot of time left. Ain't no rush. Amazon's up 18 points. A little strong today. Take a little look at Amazon. It's at 997. It's gone straight up in the last 5 minutes. 15 points. 84. You could have Heinzed it through every single one of them. That's what my room should have been telling me. Check out Amazon. Check out Amazon. It's a little expensive, Amazon, though. It's going through a lot of Heinz's right here, headed back to 1,000. Trade room. MOJO Day Trade room. Live right there. I ain't gonna trade just to trade, just like the swing newsletter. I didn't send out the swing newsletter for the first time in a long time because nothing to swing, man. If it was, we'd be swinging it. If it was, we would be swinging it. Dooby-doo-doo. Let me see what I have in my dashboard. I have LABD, my overnight position. Here. I created it on the 6th, 4 days ago. Not really, no. That was my LABD. My cost basis right there, 670. It's just done nothing. They've done nothing. Stocks are doing nothing. I'm even closing that out. I'll take the 2%. Come back down, I'll rebuy it. I'm gonna buy UV. You can do options in this thing too. I'm gonna do some options in stock. Options, UVXY. Buy some calls. We'll buy 100 of them. Go the monthlies, 721. No, we'll go to weeklies to 714. We go strike price 10 plus $3,350 to 33 cents. Rock and roll. I do those. I just did 100 of those suckers, the weeklies. $33,350 bet. Done. I'm gonna add on at 90, and I'm gonna buy the shares as well. $100,000 worth. 15 days, stock goes to 11. Stop loss 9.45. It's MOJO time. Reason for why I'm buying it? That's why. MOJO time. I just bought UV and the options. Here's the stock. I just created it right here. Done. And here's the option. Snapshot of that. I just bought those. Right there. Total cost basis $33.50. OCLR is moving. See, this is the pattern happening right now. But the Dow's strong. I don't know why. Hey guys, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube? If you're a fish chasing the dollars right now and you really haven't made money yet, become the shark, man. Take a look at this poll. This is on 727. No losers, all winners. Everybody's making money for the day. See this though, everybody made money here today in the room too. Big time on the right. Doc, Clint, Colin, what's up? Roger, all these guys these are all my old polls. I have 2 years worth of polls. Look at this line, line 7, lost money, nobody. Everyone makes money. Not a lot of people lose money. Oh, did I show you my new testimonial, guys? Look at this. You ain't gonna believe this. So, Mike, I went to play a quick 9 holes this afternoon. After journaling my morning trades, I went back. After journaling my morning trades, the back 9 at my regular course, hole number 15, 139-yard par 3. The last thing I did before putting the tee in the ground was look at my watch to calculate the remaining time needed to be done and be home by 7:15 to prepare for MOJO University class. Then I stood over the ball with my last thought of being Pro Trader Mike. I went to hit my ball and my first ace in 34 years of my golfing career happened. Following my trading plan, I quit for the day knowing if I played any more, I'd only risk losing that fantastic feeling of the afternoon. Moral of the story, the focus that Mike teaches in MOJO can carry over into other parts of your life. Thank you, Trader Randy. All happens in MOJO University. Beautiful. Thanks, Randy, and congratulations on your hole-in-one. I played yesterday, par 5, 245 into the wind. And I have a 7-wood. I was going to hit 225. Just put it onto the front of the green. Try to make it on with a swift shot. But I said there was a bunker in the front. I said, I'm going to shoot it over the entire green. I got to hit it 255 yards on the fly. Let's take out the 5-wood. And they had to wait 10 minutes because the guys on the green had to go off. And Jay, my boy, was with me. I said, dude, we're going to wait because this is my shot. This is my money ball. Like in basketball, when you're shooting the shots and then you get to that money ball, that's the money. Dude, that's my money shot. And I hit a 5-wood so smooth. Look, got my Titleist shirt on right now, my SM5. Dude, I hit that thing just exactly like this. Check it out. Just like I'm a diver for my diving. See, I used to be a diver. So, right here, see, I used to dive. That's how I used to dive. Boom! And I used to pop off from 90 feet in the air, just flying, and tuck it and boom. Oh yeah, that was the best. Tuck it up, pike it out. Oh yeah, that was sick. Love those days. But here's the shot in golf, 5-wood. Yeah, one separation. Relax the arms. See how I'm doing my arms? Relaxed. I don't want to be all pushed out and tight. Look at the tension in my arms. As soon as I push out, tension. Bring your arms in golf. Nice and loose. Loose with the arms in here. This doesn't move. See? That's the golf. The ball's gone. The ball's already gone. That's how you rip it. You got to stay down. Watch. Now, I kiss my arm. I have a tattoo right here of my lips and my nose. It means I know I hit a good shot. That ball just went 250. Want to see a drive 300? $300. That's how you rock and roll. I was crushing the ball. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, See one of my high dives? Yeah? My high dive. I dove for the Great American High Diving Team. Right here. Here's the team I was on right here. That's me. This is the show I dove in right here in Marineland. This is my show right here. Fire dive. There's the high dive. Marineland. This is me. Not on fire. Because I did the high dive. You didn't have to, if you high dived, you didn't have to fire dive. But you see that? Nice, right? 1991. Nice, fire dive. See the tank? 9 feet of water, and I dove from the top. You stand up at the top. That's Jeff Ott right there. You stand up at the top on and I would go up to the high dive, 90 feet in the air, and I would stand there for 5 minutes. I didn't want to. Dude, on the right side, the Intercoastal. Right in Marineland in St. Augustine. Beautiful. The houses separated so far apart. Beautiful. The left, the ocean. So I'm standing up there 90 feet in the air above the entire city, and I'm standing there looking at the view. And then like, oh yeah, you gotta dive. I'm like, oh yeah, hey, people down there, what's up? You want to see a dive? Here you go. Poof. I do the high dive. Watch. Woo, what a dive. This is what I did for fun, man, in the summertime. This is my summer job. Yeah, why don't you go up and do the high dive first? Let's go, baby. Here we go. Climb up, baby. Here we go. Climb up. There we go. There we go. Let's see the dive. Up here. Here he goes. Double half. It's my favorite dive. Double flip with it's a branny. It's a gymnastics move. It's a 1.5. You open up and you branny. The best. I could do that dive from 150 feet in the air. Any height. Nice double half. Ripped it. Give that video a like. There you go. Spectacular. I did that every day. That was my summer job. That was nice, right? Summertime in the city. And I'd be listening, cruising in my Trans Am, listening to the Beasties. See the eater pop meat all the time. That's so sly. See the Beastie Boys, there's these guys on YouTube now that have so many millions of views singing songs, white kids, just like the Beastie Boys. But they live in mansions and got Ferraris now, and the Beastie Boys pioneered that, man, for sure. The Beasties. Dude, there's nothing going on. You want to go to Nathan's? It's $64.45. Look. $64.50 with a 50-cent spread with 2,000 shares. Nathan's. Famous hot dogs. They need some volume. Going out of business. April, we traded it at 115 to 140. It's back to 115. Look. See that? I know all the stocks. We traded it right here. I think it made a move up. One of these big days right there. We traded it. Dude, there's nothing going on. Hold it now. I'm Mike D. They used to call me Mike D, man. They say, yo, Mike D. Say, yo, baby pop, kick it over here on the high side, cause I'm full of Ohio fried chicken, baby. Screw the Kentucky fried chicken. Let's get the Ohio fried. We go to the Florida fried chicken, baby. FFC. I'll meet you, Alan, at the FFC. The Florida fried chicken, baby. Let's go get the fried chicken. The Florida fried. Dude, we're making no KFC. We got the FFC here. Bringing it down in Ohio with the OHC. The Ohio fried chicken. HCHC on a 59,000 V-band break. There ain't nothing moving. Why am I talking with that accent? Come on now, Mike. There's a molecular biotech MBRX. Nothing's moving, only grooving. If there was a stock to move, we would be trading it, but there's not. No questions during the Mojo show, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Great job. So yeah, if you've been watching this long, dude, subscribe to my YouTubes, man. Let me read one of my testies to you. Hey, Mike, 3 words or thoughts can explain the gratitude I have as a businessman and a teacher. I tell my folks every time I see them, if I only met you earlier in my life, things would have been so different. But then they happened for a reason, I say. To everyone out there who reads this, I hope you can take it for a grain of salt, as you probably were in my shoes or will be. About a few weeks ago after that, changa, I registered into MOJO University class, and it was all history from there. Good afternoon, Pro Trader Mike. After taking some time this past weekend to reflect on the past year of my life, I want to express my sincere appreciation for the services, teaching, and guidance you provide. I started following you on Twitter January 19th of 2006. Here's 3 more of them. October of 2014. October of 2014 and October of 2014. I'm 65 years old. You've proved you can teach an old dog new tricks, baby. Ching, ching, ching. That's what we do. And what I do in Mojo U is I teach these sort of things right here, like how to set up your day trading computer and the recommended specs. You need an Intel i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 processor. You need a RAM 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM in the computer. You need a hard drive 500 GB SSD, graphics card, a NVIDIA GTX 1050 4GB video card. You need dual monitors, a keyboard, wireless or wired, a mouse, wireless or wired, and you need to have the correct download and upload speed. Oh yeah, and a fresh pot of coffee is always necessary for day trading. See you, Wally boy. See that guy Wally boy right there in the room? 4 years been with me. 4. There he is. He's going to fish. See, yes sir. 4 years. He's the man. When there's nothing to trade, there's nothing to trade. That was a nice sell up on LABD before. The Dow's up 21,442. Why? Why? Why is the Dow up so much? Do you know the Dow falls quicker than it goes up? Let's look in history right here, shall we? Just at the 2 in the last little bit of time. Here we go. You ready? Watch. Kaboom. Really? Oh yeah, here's another one. Kaboom! Here's the start of one. Kaboom, which it's going to go retest the bottom of this 21.2. And then go test the bottom of this one right here and fill in this little gap. Why? Because history repeats itself. And we're in a pattern called the Dow megaphone. Does everybody know what the Dow megaphone is? Here's the Dow megaphone. Let me show you. So here's the Dow megaphone. Look. They're blasting out the megaphone right there. See it? This is where it's heading. Let me show you. I've written many of articles on the Dow megaphone. Hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike. Just sitting here in the Mojo show showing everybody about the Dow megaphone pattern. But first, register for my webinar Wednesday at 2 p.m. I've made it accommodating for anybody. If you're done trading, come on by. Stop off in the afternoon for an hour of empowerment of how to learn to day trade, and I'll give you $1 million secret of how you can make $1 million trading in the stock market in just a year. There's 3 secrets, you'll get them, and you'll get my bonus video, $99, Understanding Level 2, for coming to the webinar. So click right here, register for the webinar, 7/12, 2 p.m., Wednesday. I'll see you at the webinar. So let's go right over here to the blog. And let's search megaphone. Megaphone right here. This is the Dow megaphone pattern. See it? We're in it up here on E. Right here. See it? See this line? That's what we're in right now. It's a notorious pattern. So it's a notorious pattern right here, and you could see, if I'm going to get an image of the Dow. This is over a course of 1965 to 2016. We're up right now, if you take this pattern right here. And you take the Dow megaphone up to the year, which we're in 2020 right here. And this thing is actually here now. So it's even louder. And what we're going to do is we're going to come down, back up, down, back up, down. That's where we're headed right here by the year 2020, and we're in 2017 right here. It happened here too. Look, see, it went up, 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 up. Everyone thought the Dow megaphone was going to happen here, but it went up a little bit first, and then it crashed. So here's that little bit first, and then it'll crash. And then it went up a little bit more, and it really crashed. So that's what's going to happen. This is that up a little bit more, and then really crash right here. That's the Dow megaphone pattern. And I did this when the Dow was at 17,459, 17,590. UV was $44 a share. It was up $11 in one day. We nailed it. 8 trades in JNUG, KZ, in respect to your goals. There you go. It's a nice video. Dow megaphone. There's another megaphone in here. Look at the other one. Right here is the first one right here. This was the first one I ever did in June of 2015. Dow megaphone pattern. I'm busy working on my blog post. What? That back up. Here it is. So the Dow Jones was 17,760. And I did a long position of UVY at 39. You saw it was at 11, up $11. Yeah, that's where the Dow's going to head. Here's the next one I did. It was on August 21st. Remember, I correctly called the Dow from 18. I called the 1,000-point drop in the Dow. That was the last time. Right here. That was the article. See, I called it. Look at the next one. Top. Right here. Did it again in October of 2016. You better watch out. You better not cry. Pro Trader Mike's going to tell you why. The Dow Jones and the stock market's going to take a crashing. You know why? It's the Dow megaphone pattern as illustrated in the diagram. A, B, C, D, E, which we're at. This was at 18,161. We're 4,000 points higher than that now. And this is what I did with the UVXY when I was buying it here at 16 off a bottom. It's going to fly. And that's what UV's going to do. So I've done this Dow megaphone a bunch of times. The last time was June. This was the first one. In June 29th, the Dow's down 350. We'll get another one. I haven't seen another one of these days in a while, but we will have one pretty soon. And I have it all live and recorded on this video, 8 minutes. Showing all my trades. See, I'm opening my, I used to do this all the time. Show all the trades. Don't matter. Same screen. Here's the old day trade room, remember?
870, we bought it at 65. J-Nug, we bought at 60, 65, 70. Sold J-Nug at...
The new room's better because it has the screenshots. Did UVXY. Covered calls. Nugget, $8.
Nugget right here.
Nice.
And we did a little tiny of that KZ, which we made a little tiny bit.
Cool.
That's it. So from those trades on the 28th.
I like that. So we got the same. Nothing's really happening with the market. Yeah, I think North, everybody's underestimating that in such a big way. It's like, let me just test a couple missiles and show you how cool I am before I do something. And you're like, okay, that's nice. Let me throw up some more missiles. And we'll have a burn down America party. And we'll throw up a couple missiles. And we'll say, here, there you go. That's what you guys got coming. And nobody even says a word. If they didn't think they were going to get it in here, why would they be talking about it? If they didn't think they can get it in here, why would they even be doing it? They know they can get it in here. Probably a fake. They're probably doing something else. Classic war move. Let me fake you with this and get you in the back door with this that I didn't tell you about. Classic move. Watch so many war movies. Oh yeah. Big time. Oh, the orchestrator probably behind it with him is Dennis Rodman. He's giving him the keys. Yep. Stupid shit like that. Let's bring Dennis here and give him the women and the booze and the jewels and the liquor. He'll tell us anything. He's a cool dude. Hey, we'll let him play some basketball too. Nice. Incredible, man. The market ain't doing crap. No stocks are moving anywhere. CDNA, crapola. Look at this die out on this stock today. Destroyed. What time is it? 12:30, 12:45, and it's got a red bar, green giant. Will work. Cool. Cool's 3 making a move because it's got a green giant right here. See, this was a green giant trade play. Right there. See it now? Twitter's moving up. Classic move back up, straight up, down, and then straight back up. Dow's up 30. Go higher, man. Something happened. We missed JNUG this morning. I missed it big time at 15 bucks. Because it was high. It was 15.08. That's why. Like bad price. And it went to 16.08. We played at LABD very nicely though. It's just not a big profit day. You get those days. Every bit day can't be huge, but as long as we're green and profitable, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Do I think JNUG could Heinz again? Sure. It's already done it once, but it's got a lot of top risk right there. I'd pass. Pass. I'd wait. See what else is coming up down the alleyway, like CLNE. Right here, this is a nice one. CLNE, long. 3 cent risk on the down. After a good scaling, you got 10 on the up. Can go up to 3. It's got a lot of action. This one's decent. I ain't too excited about it. Throw a chip at it or something, you know what I'm saying? You got nothing else to throw no chips at. Throw a chip at that. 270, it's got some volume. But otherwise, there ain't nothing going on. Nvidia's at Heinz, but I ain't touching it. Look at this one. Westport Fuel. NNBR. Do that. What's going on, YouTube? Amazon strikes again. Keep an eye on that YouTube for me there, Mr. Gerardo and guys. Keep an eye. Look, this guy said XTNT before. What time did he say it? At 11:57. At 11:57, the stock was at the high of 94. And he told me to buy it on YouTube. And now it's 82. That's why I don't follow nobody else's picks but my own. I knew that one wouldn't do nothing. Would have surprised me. Cool did nothing. Everything's got a lot of nothing. 15 million on AVEO. Where'd that volume come from? Saru died, didn't do that, died, didn't do nothing, died, glad I didn't play it, didn't do nothing. Dude, nothing's doing nothing. Nothing's doing nothing. I'm telling you, if there was something to do, I'd do it. But I ain't doing it to do it. Doing it to do it. Measly. It's measly and it's peasly. That's all I gotta say. Dudes, Mojo show's boring. I gotta end the air because the market's boring right now. So with that said, Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace! Until the next time, keep it profitable. Subscribe to my videos below and then take Mojo University. Crank it, guys. Let me go walk the boys right now.